Hello everyone, this is Astute and I'm back with a new video on customizing the Kali Linux. So in previous video you can see I have customized my Kali Linux with different fonts. So you can see I have a cool looking banner of Astute in my terminal. So you can also do this. So to show how to do this, I have made a fresh. Let me enter the password. I have made a fresh Linux VM. So this is the fresh Linux VM. So in default the terminal look like this. Such a lame, right? So such a bore cool looking classic terminal. This is the default terminal, but you can change it with absolutely cool looking and like a OP terminal. So just to do this, you just need to download two things. So one is the figlet and one is the lolcat. Figlet is for changing the font and lolcat is for changing the color pattern. So let's get it started. First you need to type sudo apt-get install figlet. So just enter the password. So it's done. Now then the three thing is lolcat. Just open the browser. Here we go. So just type lolcat, then GitHub, press enter. So go to the very first link, bg lolcat rainbow and unicorns. So just copy the URL. Okay, I actually got it. Okay, now just type git clone and paste the URL. So now we are ready to launch. So just go to the lolcat. Okay, so let's see where I can find cd bins. Go to the bins now, and you can see there is a lolcat. So just to run this, just type gem. Sorry, gem install lolcat. So the process of installation begins. So it's done. You say you don't have permission for this. So just to give the permission, just to give the super user permission, sudo gem. Now it's installed. So just showing you demo, just type figlet, just minus f for install, and just using any of this like shadow, it's already typed. So just typing shadow astute. So let's see, this is the style. So if we give lolcat after typing this, so you can see a color, right? So to show available fonts, so these are the available fonts you have by default. So these all are the names. So I'll be including some awesome fonts. So we are going to include some awesome fonts. So to include awesome fonts, you just need to download, go to the browser and download some of the fonts. So just type zero and figlet. Okay. So go to the very first link and just copy the URL. Fine. And you just need to do cd slash usr, sorry, slash share. Go to this file folder and just type the command git clone and just paste the URL. Okay, it's saying permission denied. Again, we need to do the same thing, just giving the super user permission. So once you give the super user permission, just enter the password. Okay, sorry. Now, okay, caps lock is on. Okay, here we go. So now fire up the command sudo. Then we need to move the downloaded figlet. So just type mb figlet fonts and remove figlet fonts. Now if you type so figlet fonts, so you can see you are getting a bunch of different options. Now there is twisted. So my personal favorite is whimsy. So let me use the whimsy. So let me copy the sections part. So now you can just type figlet minus f and just type paste whimsy and just to give some name you want to print on, and type lolcat. See how cool looking it is. So you can use any of these. Suppose I want to use wavy, so just type here wavy, wavy. Okay, so just type here wavy. So you can see a wavy type of banner. So you can use any of these. So just to save these, or just you need to go to /etc file. So in there you can see ZSS. So in new Kali, the default cell is ZSH. So go to the cd ZSH. So you can see here a file ZSHRC. Now just type sudo nano ZSHRC. So go to the very last. So just type clear here once, and just type figlet -f and give whimsy, which is my favorite one, and just put your name what you want to show on our terminal, and just type lolcat. Then press Ctrl O, press enter, Ctrl X, and if I type ZSH, you can see cool looking banner. So hope you like the video. So even if you want open the terminal, so it will show the icon. So if I open new terminal, it will show. If I open again new terminal, it will show. So I hope you like the video. So that's all for today. Thank you.